In Bb Ultra, you will want to ensure that your module, unit, or weekly folders are visible to students by either using the Visible to Students option here or the Release Conditions. If you choose Release Conditions, you will select Date and Time, and then you will want to choose a Show On Date. Please do not use the Hide After Date, as this will also hide the assignment's grades and feedback in the gradebook. Then, once you're finished, click Save. Next, you will want to check the visibility of your assignments. Click on the assignment title to open it, and then look to the upper right-hand corner to set the visibility. You'll want to use either the Visible to Students option or the Release Conditions. Again, if you use Release Conditions, you will only want to use the Show On Date. Lastly, to prevent students from submitting past the due date, you will want to click on the gear icon in your assignment and then check the Prohibit Late Submissions box. This will turn on the feature to prevent late submissions and new attempts once the due date has passed. If your assignments do not already have a due date, you'll want to add one as well. And as a note, Prohibit Late Submissions can only be turned on for assignments or assessments. If you use discussions or journals, you will need to monitor the student's submissions manually to see if an attempt is submitted after the due date. Now, once you are finished, you will want to click Save at the bottom of the panel. Now from the student view, you'll see that when the assignments are visible, students can see their overall grade, individual assignment grade, and feedback. Students will click on the purple feedback icon to open the assignment and review your feedback. If the assignments were hidden, students would not be able to review their feedback, nor would they be able to review the assignment. This is why it is very important that you follow these steps to ensure that your assignments are visible in the gradebook for students.